Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the upper button. After we wake up the screen on our watch, we can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called sound and vibration and select it, and here we have the option called ringtone volume. Tap on it, and right here we can adjust the ringtone volume, but first we need to turn off the mute mode, basically the silent mode. So tap on the switch next to mute mode to turn it off. Now we can tap on ringtone volume and we can adjust it by tapping on the plus or minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back. Oh, never mind. Once you're adjusting, you can't. So you can swipe right on the screen to go back, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. So basically you can also use the buttons while you're adjusting to adjust the volume. You don't need to tap on the plus and minus. Okay, and that's how you adjust the ringtone volume on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.